Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's talk about the last changes on the euro currency that has happened during the previous trading session. Well, yes, the market hasn't supported the move to the upside, and with this price action, that's, although theoretically hasn't changed our potential to the upward move, but at my point of view, the probability that market is still could reverse to the upside and accelerate it further to the upside becomes less, since the one condition that is very important here is this thrusting upward bounce from the monthly pivot, from the weekly pivot point. Well, since market has shown this thrust to the upside, it will not, the erasing of this move to the downside, raising of this thrusting bar, will not be in a row with the normal price action that bullish context suggests. Because when the jump up from this area has happened, that simultaneously usually cancels the ABCD retracement, since market has shown just shallow pullback to the nearest fib support and continue move to the upside. The erasing of this move will tell us something different. It will tell that probably the power of the bears, the bulls, is hosting, and that is really could lead some either to deeper retracement, or even this could be the final point of this upward retracement that already stands in the market for a considerable period of time since the end of the July. So that is solid retracement. Technically speaking, in the short-term perspective, although market still stands inside of this flag pattern, the break-even point of the trend has come very close to the current price action. So if market will continue move to the downside during today's trading session, it could shift trend to the bearish side on the daily time frame, and that will be not very good for upward continuation. Another moment that we should keep an eye on, that's on the potential appearing of the stop grabber pattern right here. But two things always come in my mind when I think about the current appreciation of the euro currency. Well, the first thing is the situation on gold, since gold usually turns to the seasonally bullish trend in the beginning of the autumn that lasts usually till the early spring. But the gold is the very cunning market, and it's very rare reverses calm and smooth. Usually when gold reverses, it shows the price action that hurt many traders by grabbing the stops, hitting some significant supports, and so on. But currently we see on the gold that market has broken the resistance of the big triangle pattern on the gold. I can even show you this stuff. Here you can see that is the numbers resistance, and the normal price action for gold usually shows the grabbing the stops, renewing these lows, taking out the stop orders that has been placed here, and reversal usually happens after that. Here we see the smooth just breakout. It's true perfect picture on the gold. That is not very common for that. So that's why I can't exclude the possibility that this will be the failing breakout. Market will return back in the body of this triangle, taking out these stops, and only after that could show some appreciation on gold. That this moment is in fact the possible scenario that we have to keep in mind, because that is just the nature of gold. Another important moment that is significant, and we have discussed yesterday on the Now a forum is the bearish pattern on the Nasdaq. So if we shift to the Nasdaq, we'll see the wash and rinse, that is Nasdaq, the wash and rinse of the previous highs on the weekly time frame as well on the daily time frame, okay, and confirmed double repo sale pattern. So the stocks could turn south. It's really a confirmed bearish pattern that we can't just ignore. That is a significant moment. On the weekly S&P, we also see development of the bearish pattern with the divergence. The market hasn't quite hit the upper border of this wedge and also has shown the wash and rinse of the previous highs. So that is very probable that we could get some solid plunge on the equities. If this will really the case, then the appreciation of the euro currency is really under question. So it really could happen that market will finish the retracement right here and will continue the move in a row with the long-term bear trend. So our current view on the market is that this move to the upside on the daily time frame is just a retracement in a longer term bearish trend. But since this is just a daily video research, we will usually focus here on possibilities for trading within just one single trading session. So what to watch for during today's trading session? First of all, I think that it's better to stay flat and take a look how market will close today, and think about the potential trades and entries only on only in the beginning of the next week. On the 4-hour time frame, we see that trend has turned bearish. That is our butterfly that could possible yesterday and theoretically is possible still currently. But you can see this price action, although the deep retracement for the butterfly is the common thing, and you can see it very often, even 88 retracement. But with the moments that we have just discussed, this looks more than just a pullback. That's not very nice move for bulls. That is our crucial point for the butterfly. Okay. So development to the upside after the solid thrust, after solid bounce from the pivot point looks logical, but erasing of this move or erasing of this bounce without any significant resistance right above the market looks a bit curious. That's why it's better to not take any position during today's trading session. On the hourly time frame, another moment that is significant, seems to me significant, trend also bearish here, you can see on the hourly time frame. That is some sort of the triangle pattern. That is our butterfly, by the way. This is left wing, that is potential right wing. Okay, but take a look at the price action. Thrust and acceleration from the pivot point, that here is pivot point, okay, and fast return right back, accelerating thrust to the downside. So overall price action in this area doesn't look impressive for entering on the long side of the market, and that is not the development to the upside. That is not the continuation of the trend. So that is the first, probably could be the first bell of the potential faster move to the downside. That's really crucial point for your currency on the daily time frame, and downward breakout when this potentially should be the bullish pattern. Makes me think that it's better to not take any long position, and probably it's better to not take a short position either, because for that purpose we need to get some more confirmation from the market, because butterfly is still relatively still valid. And another moment that we could get, that is also we can't exclude totally, the potential stop grabber that could appear on the daily time frame, since market stands very close to the daily time frame break-even point. That we also can't exclude. So something like that could happen. You can see deep retracement, although the price action are quite different, but if market will form the stop grabber, then we could get acceleration above the previous highs. So that could happen again. That's why it's a bit tough moment currently on the daily time frame, and personally, I think that it's better to take some pause and to wait for some more signs from the market that probably could allow us to make the decision about the future action.